Morning, Steve here in Chicago with your morning grain comps. Beans are lower overnight after yesterday's sharp sell-off due to USDA's bigger than expected acreage number. Outlook Conference had a carryout for 22-23 U.S. beans at 305, and some people think that the acreage number could add 150 million bushels. Yesterday, corn and wheat traded higher, then ended lower. Corn market supported by the lower than expected corn acres. Some people are using a 770 US 22-23 carryout versus the USDA's 1965. Over in the wheat, I think the market is rallying, maybe because the war in Ukraine continues. There continues to be uncertainty about wheat exports out of the Black Sea, but more importantly, the 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day U.S. Southern Plains weather map went warmer and drier. So we'll have to see if that impacts the marketplace. We did see that one group is estimating the wheat crop at 1810, which lowers the wheat carryout to 425 versus the Outlook Conference of 736. Export sales yesterday disappointing for corn and wheat, offering some resistance in that marketplace. And so we are starting a new month. Here in Chicago, snow on the grass isn't enough of an April Fool's joke for us. But now we're going to start trading weather. And for the beans, the key is just how much bean export demand comes into the U.S. if Brazil's supply is limited after August. For corn, how much corn demand export is shifted from Ukraine and possibly South America, and we'll try to buy U.S. corn. And in the wheat, it's just a weather market now. And so I think that open interest yesterday, surprisingly, open interest went up 18,000 contracts in the beans, 42,000 contracts in corn, 3,000 contracts in wheat. So again, we'll be watching the jobs data today. We'll be watching anything about inflation. We'll be watching the impact that this U.S. giving out 180 million barrels of crude oil from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve has on gas prices, and anything that might have to do with inflation, the Ukraine war, and also what's going on in Europe as far as recession in Germany, the COVID spread in China, reducing transportation, especially fertilizer to farmers, and their economy is slowing and could also be in a recession. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.